out here. I guess I should put my Strava on, huh? All right, September 30th, 2022. Hurricane Ian is supposed to be hitting the shores right now, and I just wanted to show off some flooding. I'm gonna get soaked. I'm already soaked. We are downtown Charleston, and these winds are pretty bad. Oh wow, it is windy. I was thinking about crossing the bridge, but now I'm second guessing it. Have to be careful still. I mean, flooding is no joke, whether you're on a bike or a car. I'm more worried about like a 2x4 flying into my face. Yeah, the wind's picked up a lot. I doubt there's anybody driving around the Battery area, but that's where we're gonna check out first. Brr! It is cold. I'm going slow because, well, it doesn't really matter, I'm soaked. Some of these puddles are gonna be huge. I know that it floods down here a lot in this spot I'm about to go to. Oh man, I did not anticipate it being this cold. That's my problem. So it might be what some people consider just a rainstorm, but that wind is ridiculous. Oh, the wind is definitely picked up. It is blowing my entire bike in various directions. See, look at the flood over here. It's already flooding. I guarantee you that road to the left is completely flooded. Let's go through it. Watch this car. Oh God, my brand new components on my bike. Oh yeah. This is funny and dangerous, but yep, this is just one flooded area. Again, we're gonna go to the Battery, and then I think the bridge. That's dangerous. I might as well just be swimming in a pool right now. Well, I'm starting to warm up. Whew. So that one flooded area was on near Calhoun, and I don't know what the cross street was. But some of these cars could get flooded. I think we're, like right now, we're probably at or even below sea level at some places. Okay, the other part that's dangerous is the fact that there's a tree line, electrical. So the tree fell on the electricity there, and I'm not going that way because I don't want to get electrocuted today. But a tree fell, and so I worry about that mostly. Like, I'm scared of this stuff here. I need to get away from these trees. I'll try to get this uploaded immediately when I get home too. The good news is I'm getting some miles in I didn't think I was gonna get. Actually, I need quite a few miles to get to my goal. A few things to understand. This is dangerous, and I recognize that. Oh, you gotta be careful of these lines up here. Oh yeah. I did sort of chase some of the F5 tornadoes in Oklahoma. Some people have different types of thrills they want. I am pushing through lights because there's almost no cars on the road anyways. Yeah, I'm glad I came out. I am seeing a lot of debris. I think the wind is still picking up. I kind of want a selfie of me in this water. In fact, I'll go ahead and take one. I put my phone in a Ziploc bag. Let's see if Snapchat works. It's a little wet out here. Here we go. I can hear the fire trucks now. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna bend this thing down real quick and let you see what I'm pedaling through. Oh, look at this car. See, this car is gonna be flooded. No doubt about it. It's already flooded. It's past the point. I don't know why they would leave it there. I guess insurance will cover it, but that carpet is already flooded there. That was a poor choice of place to park. Luckily, I'm wearing my water shoes. The problem with uploading this is my stupid Xfinity Wi-Fi upload is so slow. All right, let's get to the battery. Well, we're gonna get to the battery because I know it's flooded there. Just for reference, I think the deepest water I went through so far was probably up to my knees. I've already heard that lots of people are already without electricity. That's where my Blue Eddy power bank comes in. I got enough power to... I don't know where I'm at. I've got enough power to power my laptop maybe a dozen times. So laptop, phone, lights, no problem. Should be fine. Wow, I do plan on leaving the area a little bit later to be with my, look at that, trees. Be with my friends up in Mount Pleasant, kind of keep them all company with the kids. I'm trying to steer clear of big branches falling on me. All right, this is King Street. We're south of Calhoun, so I know we're close to the marketplace. It's so desolate out here. It's fun. Dude, when that wind hits me from the side, it's like I'm not even riding controlling this bike anymore. Green light. And like me, I guess I'm being a fool by kind of not paying too much of attention to the lights. I've had cars that are thinking the same thing. So in reality, I should shape up a little bit. Do the right thing. If I had a raincoat on, this would be a really good bike ride. Because I'm just a little cold. Oysters. I'm wearing my water shoes. The funny thing is, literally all of my clothes are in my car that's parked in the garage. I have nothing to change into at my house, nothing. I'm pretty much a minimalist to begin with. Ooh, I see ocean. I bet you there's some people out here. Oh, super flooded in that direction. The cops are already blocking the road off. It's a little wet out here.
I tried to do my bike, I was like, it's too windy in this little corridor, so I decided to just walk it.
It's pretty fun to get out here though. Yeah. Seeing all these cars like flooded already.
Really? Where?
Just up north on King. Wow, look at the high level of this water right now. That is pretty high. I've seen it higher though. This entire area has been flooded big time since I've been coming through these years. Again, water is no joke, so extremely cautious around here. Looks like a lot of storm trackers. I said you can go in the water, but don't get wet. Nobody understands that joke. I am truly getting old. All right, let's head back to the base, and then we're gonna tackle, I think with a makeshift raincoat, we're gonna tackle the bridge. And that's going to be a fun one. I say that because it's going to be extremely windy and cold. So yeah, we're just on the outer coast of Charleston right now, cruising. So far, just rain. A couple of downed lines. We definitely have some people exploring. I'm not the only one. Oh, it's cold. Hey. All right, one of these days I'll get a raincoat for real. Here we go. Staying clear of the trees. Ooh-wee, a little wind. A little bit. I'm gonna try to upload this before I go on my next route. This car just won't leave me. That was some of those high winds. Oh shit. Oh, now we're talking high wind right there. Oh. Yes, I will probably catch a cold. Those gusts were legit. Oh boy. Oh yeah. That was a gust. I need safety goggles. The rain is hitting my eyes so hard it hurts. If I need to, I can run into any of these parking garages and get some help from the elevation. I don't think we'll need to do that. I wonder if the College of Charleston has internet. Their upload bandwidth is so much better. Alright, we're going to do this to get round one uploaded, and we'll do round two right afterwards. No doubt about it. I'm crossing that bridge today. That's going to be the adventure. about to do a selfie. Next flooded area. Give you a real good tour. That's how wet I am. Oh, there's that car. Let's do a tour right here. I bet they regret that. All right, it's just beginning. But that car is definitely going to be flooded. So I'm having fun riding out here. In this weather, it's pretty ridiculous. Sometimes I gotta wipe the screen, but you can tell it's coming down. Look at that car though, it's done. Let's put this back on. Oh, also, if you find these exhilarating or thrilling, I'm Tour with Mark or Tours with Mark, doesn't matter. Find me online on YouTube and on my website. I will try to make these thrilling and not boring for you. With minimal editing, almost none, because I don't like to do that right now. All right. Actually, I kind of wish I had a selfie stick right now. I'll do it. I'll take it off yet just for this. I don't need a bath tonight. Ooh. Here we go again. We'll try to do a little selfie action going. Try. Alright, check it out. Going in deep. Going in deep. Oh yeah. One-hander lander. This car is done. Oh, that was funny. They made it. Got a little splash on me. I got wet, guys. I did get wet on that one. Oh, let's try one more angle. Sorry for the show. Probably ain't gonna work that good because it's just gonna get soaked. is how you do selfies. You just do it. Here comes some wind. Oh. Got my exercise in a little bit. I gotta kind of remember where that telephone line went down. It wasn't here apparently. It's coming down. Oh, there's the telephone line. I'm not going that way. Let's try this way. The electricity scares me. I worked in electronics for like 10, 12 years of my life. I still don't understand it. That high voltage stuff is no joke. I'm ready to take a break. It's just cold. I don't know, I don't feel hail yet. Maybe a small smidgen of ice crystals forming. Maybe I should get the helmet before I do the bridge. I can't see. I only stopped because I can't see. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good one. You can physically see that thing coming your way. Again, water is no joke. If something happens, I gotta bail. I'll bail. So far, so good though. Cars are pretty nuts driving around like this. Oh, fun. Yeah, no one's going through this road. Stay safe. Stay safe as I'm going up a wrong way on a one-way street in front of a cop. Whoopsie. Well, I'm on the sidewalk now, so it's not as bad. Ugh. Almost there. I highly doubt I can get this uploaded quickly where I'm at, but I'd like to, and then start on another one across the Ravenel Arthur Bridge or something. Find a place to get a beer, and that's about it. Oh, that's a big puddle. I feel like I might have passed my street. Yeah. All right, here we go. Home stretch. Hope I'm not locked out of my apartment again. Treat it like a stop sign. Let's see where I would have parked if the tree is still up. Still there. Both my shoelaces are undone. All right, over and out for now.